Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday. I hate how we start like that. What is today?
March 4th.
Sunday, March 4th. We just got back from yesterday. We took our CHL class.
We just got back from yesterday.
It's today from yesterday. This is what it's like being married to an English major. I gotta be careful because every time I hit the table, it rocks the camera, so I'll try not to do that. Yesterday we took our CHL class at Best of the West. It was awesome. Really great instructors there. I highly recommend it if you're in Austin and you're looking for a place to go. The instructors were pretty intense, I'd say the least, in a great way, in my opinion. We did have some issues with Shay's ammo. She was using Blazer brass, which I haven't had an issue with before, and her gun kept getting hung up. It wasn't cycling correctly, so we're gonna have to test out some new stuff. I usually use Lawman's Spear, those blue boxes, which work really good, so we're gonna test some stuff out.
I was that girl at the range. The instructor had to keep stopping and helping me. Finally, he just gave me his 9mm. What was it?
She got to shoot a Walther PPQ, which was awesome. So.
It was nice.
Yeah.
It was nice. I really like my Beretta. Anyways, it was just embarrassing because then the ammo kept getting stuck in his gun too. So it was definitely an ammo thing.
The brass wasn't ejecting and it wasn't, cycling problem.
Anyways.
It was like 115 grain. It was a little bit less, and I don't know. I should have just given her the Spear. Hindsight's 20/20. Needless to say, she got to shoot a really, really good pistol. She's shooting the PX4 compact. That's what she likes to have. We basically did the whole go handle a bunch of stuff, and that's what she ended up with and really likes. So that's where we're at with that. Anyways, today we wanted to talk about and do a quick tabletop review of the...
Define tabletop review.
We just want to do a quick show and tell, I guess would be a little bit better, of the Rush 12 511 backpack. I do want to thank Joe. Joe, you did win this backpack. We're going to send this to you. We are going to try not to fondle it too much. We are in love with this backpack, and we are excited to ship this to you. So it's coming out to you tomorrow, Monday.
We're doing a review, but we haven't used it. We're just comparing it to another backpack that is similar to it, but different brand.
Yeah, and we just wanted to kind of show it off a little bit. And again, I wanted to thank GT Distributors for sponsoring this backpack and sending it to us to be able to ship out to our contest winners. So thank you again.
It is such a sexy backpack.
Thank you again, GT. It really is. This is basically the layout of it. First of all, it has some serious... The thing I love about 511 backpacks is it just feels quality. Everything about them just feels durable and rugged, and it's nice. So it's a great overall feel to it.
It's like a thick, like the material is a good material. It doesn't feel flimsy or anything like that. It feels like you could use it over and over and it would actually last. And
I've never had a 511 backpack fail on me, which is really awesome. They are very tactical looking, so if you're looking for something a bit more subtle, you know, this has Molly all over it. So I mean, if you want to hang things off it, that's great. But otherwise, I mean, this looks like a tactical backpack. So you just kind of have to deal with that.
Well, I mean, it's still subtle. It's gray and black.
Yeah, that's very true. As with most backpacks, it's got, and I hope this lighting's working out, guys, and I'm really sorry if it's not. It's got a ton of pockets all over the place inside the front pouch. Upper portion pocket, of course. I'm hoping this just doesn't end up just being some horrible lit video, because it kind of looks like it's going to be that way. And then the interior pouch is just a huge big pouch with just a middle section.
Get up there and get closer.
Just get in there with it. Say, aw, backpack.
So that's it has a huge opening, and it also has another pouch right here that I guess you could put stuff that you don't want flying around, maybe smaller stuff that you're gonna put in here. And then you also have two mesh pouches right in there that you can see. So.
And one of the cool things is I just noticed, isn't there a zipper on the back side too? So you can kind of hide some stuff in the back?
Yeah, so there's a zipper right here. Can you see that? Yeah.
Oh, it's a hydration pack. You can put you a Camelback in there. That makes sense.
Or you could use it for something else.
Yeah, I could put an iPad or something back there, but it's meant for a Camelback.
Yeah. And then here's the little hole.
For you to feed your Camelback there.
Yep, there's a hole right back here, and then it comes out right here in the big compartment. Oh, and then there's the little hole.
Okay, so it comes out the top.
Yeah.
So it is hydration ready as well. And as I mentioned, this is extremely durable. I think this backpack runs about $100, which rightfully so it should. These are, you know, as we mentioned multiple times, it's 511 backpack's really good quality. I actually prefer 511 over Blackhawk. Everyone kind of has their own opinions on that. but I'm a big fan of 511 in general.
It also has another little pouch. It says it's for your eyewear or your glasses because it's got the felt liner, so it'll not scratch them up and protect them a little bit better.
Put your Oakleys or your Wiley X's in there.
But you could really use it for anything, snacks or...
She's always like, I could put snacks anywhere in this thing.
I am all about the snacks, guys. I'm almost always eating in all these videos.
Cool. All right, so we're gonna wrap this up and send it out to Joe. Again, thank you, Joe. This is coming to you very soon. We're gonna make it all pretty again, put it all back in the plastic wrapper and send it out. Also, last thing I did notice, it is a 21-liter backpack. So the Rush 12 is a 21-liter backpack, just as far as size-wise. Now, when we go hiking, we do not have anything as fancy. Now, I don't know actually if I would want to hike with that. Our hiking backpack's a little bit lighter and it does have a little bit more of a breathable mesh on it too, which kind of wicks away comparatively.
I'm just feeling the shoulder pads.
Yeah, see all this cool stuff? We use this Eddie Bauer backpack. Now,
we have two, but this is the smaller one that's more this size.
And I'm not sold on Eddie Bauer. We just happen to have one at the outlet mall next to us, and so we wanted to, you know, just something that we could take with us on some small hiking trips and test it out. And these have actually worked out really well. They're a little bit lighter and a lot flimsier than this 511 backpack, and which makes sense if you're gonna be hiking it around. It's what we used in Colorado, Moab, and Utah, or Utah and New Mexico. But anyway, just kind of want to show you that as a quick comparison to the 511 pack.
This would be a good range bag.
Yeah, it would be a really good range bag, or just general.
It's got so many compartments, you can keep everything organized. I have, for the range, David bought me the Beretta like 6 years ago.
We'd only been dating for 6 months.
I know.
And I bought her a pistol.
And he got me a surprise. I was like, what did he give me? And then it was a gun, and it was awesome. Anyways, he got me like a little Vera Bradley bag, which is perfect, but it doesn't have the compartments like this does. No,
I wanted it to be inconspicuous and just something like a little, I think it was sold as a...
lunchbox.
Yeah, lunchbox bag.
I can show them.
We'll show you your range setup. If anyone's interested in that, we can show off that. I think that'd be kind of cool. Anyways, thank you again, GT Distributors. Thank you again, Joe. Thank you for everyone who participated in the giveaway. I know it was an extremely fast giveaway, but we wanted to really thank the people who watch our channel frequently and who subscribe, and all the people who watch just the videos that we post the minute they come out. So that was a huge thank you for that. And I apologize again if the camera's wobbling a little bit. We're trying to stay off the table, but I can see it like shifting back and forth. We're still working on some stuff, but hopefully the sound and the picture quality is a little bit better than what we have been doing in the past.
Also, we're creeping up on 10,000 subscribers, guys.
So close.
That's gonna be
really
a big
pumped.
giveaway. So be ready for that.
What are we giving away?
I don't know, but we'll find something.
She's already giving away stuff. We didn't have anything to give away.
I'm excited. We'll find something good. That's a big milestone. So we'll find something exciting for you guys to give away.
Yeah, we're really excited to get into the 5 digits.
Maybe leave some comments on some stuff. Realistic things, guys.
I don't even want to open. I don't want to open that Pandora's box. She's like, tell us what you want us to give away. It's like, we're trying to build an Airstream here, like with limited funds. Okay. We'll give you some insulation from the inside if you want. Send you like a little piece of Airstream.
Some 45-year-old insulation for you guys. Anyways, we'll try to figure out something really exciting to give away for 10,000 subscribers.
Watch the camera on the table. I know, I see it.
So we'll try to figure something out. 10,000 subscribers. It's creeping up quickly. So, and we appreciate you guys. That's why we always try to do stuff like that. Little things, bigger things, light bars.
Yeah, whatever.
Pegs,
basically, if any sponsor sends us something, we end up giving it out to you guys. So, and I wouldn't even really call it sponsors. I would just say people wanting to have us review things or look at that. So if you do have anything you want us to review and give away, we are more than happy to do that. If you have something you just want to send us to keep and play with, and we can do videos on it, we are always happy about that too. We're open to pretty much anything. We just want to give you guys good quality content that you would enjoy seeing, and as I would appreciate on the flip side too. So thank you guys always, and Joe, sending this off to you this week, I promise. Thank you guys again, 511 Backpack, GT Distributors, thank you both so much, and we look forward to doing more of these, and as always, giving you better quality content. There you go. Have a great week.
Bye,
if you need anything from us, just hit us up. Comments below, or Instagram, or just shoot us an email. freedomcrawler@yahoo.com.